Let's learn an interesting concept. We know that 1, 2, 4 and 8 are in proportion. They are in proportion because 1 over 2 is equal to 4 over 8. Two equal ratios imply that the 4 terms are in proportion. So there are 4 terms here, 4 terms in proportion. But can 3 numbers be in proportion? 3 numbers? Intuitively, you would say no, because for 2 ratios, we need 4 terms. Interesting. Now look at this example. We know that 4 over 8 is equal to 8 over 16. Both are equal to half. Pause the video and find out what exactly is in proportion. Which terms are in proportion? Can we say that 4, 8, 8 and 16 are in proportion? No, we cannot. That would be incorrect. The correct way to put it is by saying 4, 8 and 16 are in continued proportion. This means that the repeated number is written just once. The concept of continued proportion is the same as that of proportion. The only difference is that the middle term is repeated. And that middle term is called the mean proportional. Yes, mean proportional. As the concept of continued proportion is the same as proportion, the product of the extremes will equal mean proportional multiplied by the mean proportional. That is mean proportional squared. In this example, the extremes are 4 and 16. The product of the extremes is 4 multiplied by 16. And the mean proportional is 8. Hence, this will equal 8 squared. Yes, both equal 64. Let's generalize it to get a better idea. What does A, B and C being in continued proportion tell us? It tells us that A over B is equal to B over C. It also tells us that A times C is equal to B squared. A and C are the extremes and B is the mean proportional. And it can also be written as A is to B is the same as B is to C.